The mythical realm of flamingos, captivating beauty, and secrets of the colorful bird. A mesmerizing and captivating bird adorned with beauty, possessing the power to allure spectators. As our special guest on this introduction journey, let's get acquainted with the fascinating flamingo. Hello, dear viewers! Welcome to our new video on the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the fascinating and unique birds, the flamingo. Stay with us to discover the amazing details of this bird's life and its beauties. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Flamingos, beauty and secrets of the colorful birds. Habitat 1. Geographical distribution. Flamingos inhabit tropical regions in Africa, South America, and Asia. 2. Ecosystem. They predominantly reside in shallow waters, like swamps and lakes. Social behavior 1. Grouping. Flamingos gather in large groups called flamboyants. 2. Courtship displays. During courtship, they create interesting formations in the air. 3. Nesting. They use mud, sticks, and other materials to construct nests. Feeding and nutrition: 1. Algae delicacy. Flamingos extract their primary diet from algae and shrimps. 2. Unique feeding mechanism. Their long necks enable them to reach aquatic food sources effectively. Flamingo features: 1. Vibrant plumage. The distinctive pink or reddish feathers contribute to their unique beauty. 2. Distinctive calls. They use specific sounds for communication and during the mating process. Fun facts: in some cultures, flamingos are recognized as symbols of love and beauty, earning a place in art and literature. Breeding and reproduction. 1. Egg incubation. Flamingos generally lay a single egg on mud mounds, and both parents take turns incubating the egg. 2. Parental care. Both parents play active roles in protecting the nest and caring for the chick. Adaptations and survival. 1. Leg adaptations. Their long legs help them wade in shallow water, and webbed feet assist in swimming. 2. Filter feeding system. Specially adapted veils allow them to filter out food from the water efficiently. Migration. 1. Seasonal movements. Some flamingo populations undergo seasonal migrations in search of suitable feeding and breeding grounds. 2. Group dynamics. During migration, they maintain their flamboyance and move collectively. Conservation status. 1. Threats. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change pose threats to flamingo populations. 2. Conservation efforts. Various conservation programs focus on protecting their habitats and raising awareness about these unique birds. Cultural significance. 1. Symbol of beauty. Flamingos are often associated with beauty, grace, and elegance in various cultures. 2. Artistic inspirations. They have inspired art, literature, and even feature prominently in folklore and mythology. Conclusion: flamingos, with their stunning appearance and intriguing behaviors, hold a special place in the natural world, captivating both scientists and admirers alike. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me on this exciting journey into the fascinating world of flamingos. I hope you've enjoyed this video and gained interesting insights into the world of these majestic birds. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content in the future. I appreciate your warm presence and well wishes. Looking forward to seeing you in the next videos. Feel free to adjust the language and tone based on your personal style and the atmosphere of your content.